Hi everyone, I'm Ranajay from Singapore. I joined the CS50 course recently because my ex-boss from pharmaceutical actually is doing the course right now and he highly recommended doing this. So a little bit about me, I am actually an electrical and electronic engineer by training. Um, so I've done very little computing like during my course and I've been working as an oil and gas and pharmaceutical engineer for the last 10 years. Um, and in 2019, I kind of decided that, hey, I want to do something else. And I started doing all the things that I really wanted to do. And one of the things was to travel the world. So I started traveling in 2019. I quit my job, sold all my stuff, like had two backpacks, and I started traveling. And then along the way, I started to learn Python. It was something that I'd wanted to do for a long time, and I fell in love with computer science and programming, I guess. Yeah, so since last year, I've been learning Python on my own. And this year, due to COVID-19, I had to return to Singapore and I started looking for some jobs related to Python over here. And I realized that I don't actually know a lot of the basic computing concepts that a lot of people do know who have done actual computer science courses. So CS50 is kind of a way for me to catch up and to learn like basics of computing again. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing this course. I'm really looking forward to seeing all the wonderful projects from people from all over the world. So my name is Ranajay and this is CS50.